Hey guys, what's up here? Good Vibes Electric Minis. I got another one for you here that I've been working on. The 1/16th or 1/18th scale. Electric g10. Guys, this thing freaking hauls ass. Check out the front end, back end. This is modeled after my trippy van, which has a side port window here. One side here. It's got a magnetic mount. So basically, if I had two hands, I could show you it clips onto that chassis. Just tuck the back of this wire up in there. Basically, you know, I'll have accessories like this, like roof rack. Right here, we got a 3-cell system powering this little guy. We got the signature Good Vibes Electric Mini battery holder. So basically this flips in, or just kind of sits down right into these slots here. Just like that. And this strap will basically cinch it down, keep it tight. We got the clips in here holding the floor pan down to the chassis. Just like a normal RC car. As you can see here, we have the vintage turbine Western style wheels. These seats are removable too. When you get the model, you'll be able to place them in or paint them. This lifts off. Basically, there's all your electronics. The suspension has been tuned, so there's not too much rebound in the suspension. But I could tell you guys, this thing is so fast. It is so fun. I have never owned an RC car this fast, but just that it's a Chevy is really awesome.